Hey everybody, it's 10:15 and 7 seconds on October 9th. This is the drawing for the two Golden Age Detective comics, one of them being 171 from 1951 and the other one being 212 from 1954. Lower grade books, but still very cool. So over here on the left were the 20 filled spots. I think I did that a little fast, so I'll do it one more time. Okay. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 12. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 12th roll will get both books. They will ship out today. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one. 12, spot 18, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 10:16 and 10